Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we are going to install Thor. So after the purchase of Thor, you will be redirected to this page. So this is the Phoenix My Account page. On your side, you won't have either TickBlaze or possibly accounts because it has nothing to do with the software itself, but you will have this interface. So on this interface, it's, as you can see, extremely simple. You just have the renewal date, the type of product you bought, the email and password, which are hidden for me, but I can click on this little eye to reveal them. And the first thing you want to do is to click on Download Tor. So after you've clicked on Download Tor, you will be downloading this file, which is named Tor Client setup.msi, and we'll just wait for it to load. Once the file is finally loaded, you have this interface, which is just some terms of use to accept. Create desktop shortcut, up, install, and the program will install itself. Once that's done, you just click on finish. And here you will have this black console that will opens up and the software itself. So you can close this black console. It will only show up the first time you launch Thor, not after. And then you have a few things. You have something that is not the correct software and something that is also in French. So Thor is translated into many languages and it detects the closest language to you. If I was in Germany, for example, this message would be in German, etc., etc. Here I am in France, so this message is in French. And it reads, mandatory update, a new version of Tor is available, download/install the update. So this is because there was a recent update that was made after the creation of the installer. Depending on the moment you install Tor on your side, you will maybe not see this message, but this is the interface you will see each time an update is available. So you just click on this button. It will open up this little thing, which is the Tor updater. Up. And after that, the software should launch again. And we finally got the connection interface. So this is a very simple interface. You have either email and password, and then you have email and password. So you just copy paste the credentials right there. So for this video, I've prepared an admin account up, and I do that. Obviously, the password doesn't work, but still. And once all of that is done, you will be able to click on this orange arrow, and voila, welcome aboard, Liam Graham. And then you have the final interface. So to explain things a bit and not getting too much into detail, the first thing you want to do here is to click on this button, Connection Tutorial, which will redirect you to the actual in-software tutorial, because this was just step 2, like install, not getting lost with the updates, etc., etc. So this was pretty simple. But the first thing you want to do is either to click on this button right there, or to go there and to click on Help Center, which will open up this little interface, and you just have to click right here to get a comprehensive video on how to copy your first account with Tor. If you need other guidelines or tutorials, you have multiple videos on this little panel. And I precise that in case you are coming from a non-English country, Tor is translated, like I've said, and the tutorials are also translated. So it's not available in all languages, but for example, if I switch here from English to France, so to manipulate my interface, I just go to the left part of the app, and I go to this little flag to switch language. If I switch to France, so the entire software has switched to France, and if I go there, up, as you can see, the videos are modified in French. So it's a different YouTube video with a different thumbnail, and also the content of the video is different. So it's a French video, and that's the same thing for all the videos there. And if you are coming from like a more exotic language, just like Yoruba, which is the main language of Nigeria, you have this interface, and it will either show up the English video if it's available, or if a tutorial is not available in English, but available in another language, it will show up this. So as you can see, this reads available in English. So the Help Center is translated, that was my point. And if you want to copy your first account, then click on this button, and 2 minutes later you will know how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. So that's it for this installation tutorial. I'll see you in the tutorial to copy your first account. Bye.